The Wonder of the Carpathians. Hotel of Ice, Transylvania.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove.
The Hotel of Ice in Transylvania is a unique hotel located in the heart of the Fagaras Mountains in Romania. As the name suggests, the hotel is made entirely out of ice and is reconstructed every winter using over 3,000 tons of ice and snow. The hotel was first built in 2005 and has become a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors the chance to experience a one-of-a-kind stay in an icy wonderland. Each year, the hotel features different ice sculptures and designs and includes amenities such as a restaurant, bar, and ice chapel for weddings and other events. In addition to its stunning ice architecture, the hotel is also located in a picturesque natural setting, surrounded by snow-covered mountains and forests. Guests can enjoy winter sports like skiing and snowboarding, as well as guided tours of the surrounding area. Staying at the Hotel of Ice in Transylvania is a unique and unforgettable experience, and it offers a chance to immerse oneself in the beauty and wonder of winter in the Carpathian Mountains.
And we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and
I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.